So Siemens. See what is happening in Siemens. This is a very good parallel channel pattern, which Siemens was respecting for a long time. And finally, because of the bearishness in the market, this stock broke down. But after it broke down, it didn't collapse. It fell around 5% or somewhere around 5%. And after that, it made a long weak rejection here. Okay. But this is not a sign for us to enter. Even though this is a long weak rejection, we cannot just enter here because it was a one-way fall. Our analysis will be like it might also come down and continue with the trend because it has broken out down. But what happened? It has gone back. Okay, this is a first sign that Siemens is not going to break down this candle on 2nd of December of 3%, which has almost closed inside the trend line with a strong bullish close. Okay, now this is a sign that Siemens is not going to again break down. That will happen only when the market collapses. Now, after this candle, what happened? 3 days of sideways, almost 4 days now, 4 days of sideways consolidation. And the good thing is, Siemens has comfortably entered into the major channel, which it had broken down earlier. So I'll go to 1 hour. Okay. So this is a classical pattern where it used to happen many times in these volatile markets when the major support trend line breaks down. Okay. But the stock suddenly takes a reversal, makes a reversal from nearby horizontal support zone. Okay. Or the next support level. It takes a support and when it reverses and comes back into the major support level, the trend line which it broke earlier, once it comes inside the major support trend line again, there's a very good chance that the uptrend will continue. This rally will continue. The reason for that is because any idea? Actually, if you see it in the stocks which have a similar structure, 8 out of 10 times what I'm telling you will happen. You will have a fierce rally, a strong up move after this. Any idea why?
So the gap filling.
Gap. Okay, this gap. Okay. Yeah. So let's assume there is no gap. Then just think and tell me. No one, no idea, all of you.
Sir, is it forming any sort of triangle pattern or something in 1 hour?
See, I'm not talking about any patterns and all. I am saying it in general. Not only Siemens, any stock which has broken down from a major pattern and makes a reversal in the coming days and goes back into its major channel support again will continue to rally in the coming days. Why is that happening? I'm asking.
So it shows
because the buyers are stepping in again.
Yeah, almost. You are almost close. Okay.
The demand created for that price at that particular price.
Short sellers will be trapped, right?
Yeah.
The people who have shorted Siemens, who are holding short positions, where will they keep their stop loss? Somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, above the major channel pattern. So they have a bearish candle here. on this day, 25th of November. So usually what people do is like how we place our stop loss when we go long. We place our stop loss before the huge bullish candle. These people will place their stop loss above this huge bearish candle. Now, when tomorrow market decides to take this high out comfortably, what will happen? All of these people will be turning into buyers now. The sell orders will be turning into buy orders. And then what will happen? A good short covering rally will take the stock higher. Got it? So always look for these fake breakdowns, and again coming back into the major pattern, these kind of stocks will give you a good follow through. Stop loss, you can just place it below the trend line, or below this candle low. That is more than enough. Entries are going to be in this zone, anywhere in this zone. Understood?
Okay, sir.
So Siemens is giving us a good risk reward ratio trade even for tomorrow. Okay, so what we can do is any other pattern which can be drawn. I can draw a trend line like this. I can draw a trend line. Okay, so I'll look to enter somewhere here. Can look for an entry somewhere around here, placing a stop loss below 2210, 2205, somewhere around there. I will mark it clearly. This is fine. So this stock, since it is trading closer to our entry level, okay, it's not trading at a random place here. We have a pattern in Siemens, okay, and it has recently reversed the trend here. And it has closed inside the major pattern, and it is nearer to our entry level also. This stock is worth keeping for tomorrow's watch list.